Welcome back to Butterfly, and we're checking out, finally, the Frutee Mango bars that have been viral everywhere. Let's see how they are. All right, so these have gone viral. There's been different variations of it. I went ahead and got the mango, and look how cute it is. It's individually packed, and I am so excited. For the silliest thing. I don't want to break it. How do we pull it out? All right, I think I got it, guys. This video is longer than it should be. And then we pop it out. Ah! I don't want to break it. Ah! Okay. Oh, and we eat it this way. Okay.
Hold it still for a second, please. Let's see
It
what
looks like a little mango.
Yeah, it looks like something. All right.
Let me feel it. It feels like a mango. Now, does it taste like a mango? Let's do it. Oh my God, that is mango explosion. It's so creamy. Luscious, creamy, sweet. I'm in love. Unfortunately,
It doesn't love you?
they're hard to come by. But I'm glad I have 2 more. I'm not sharing. Guys, you see it in the grocery store? These are the fruity kind.
Fruity, don't they make those drinks?
Yeah, they
as
make
well?
juices.
That's all sugar, by the way, guys. Let's see what the...
Oh, don't rain on my parade. It's 13 grams of sugar.
110 calories.
Not that bad.
13 grams of sugar. Sodium 25. Yeah.
Not too
Here's
bad.
your ingredients in case anyone cares. Contains milk, soy, which you're not supposed to eat.
It's so good though. That is a must try. It's a bite. Go out and get them if you can find them. Loving it. Bye.